No one would doubt the versatility of metal materials, especially high-quality stainless steel, which is highly recognized and favored across all industries. This conveyor belt spike fastener is made of premium stainless steel, boasting exceptional tensile strength and impressive hardness. That means it's not only tougher and more durable in use, but also far more stable and reliable. When you need to use the item secured by a zip tie, you can cut the zip tie open with a pair of scissors or a similar cutting tool. There are 10 strips per box, and with 5 hinge pins. These conveyor belt fasteners are designed with teeth parallel to the length of the belt, from being cut off, thus providing a stronghold. On top of that, this fastener features a unique, low-profile flat design. And to meet the needs of different customers, we offer a range of specifications, making its scope of application even broader.